welcome back to my channel. Today I am starting a new vlog. Like I said, I want to get back on the vlogging bandwagon, and thank you to TULA for sponsoring this video. I'm going to be showing you guys more about their products later and also give you a special discount code, so be sure to stay tuned or jump to the time on the screen to check out my skincare routine with them. So I figured I would start out today. It is currently Monday, February 1st. I can't believe it's February already. My birthday is this month, and it is crazy that I'm going to be 24. I just got off a phone call with a recruiter for a potential job. That's the one thing about COVID. I can literally have work calls in sweats and nobody will know. I'm just about to heat up some pasta that I made last night. I don't know if you guys have seen the viral feta cheese pasta on TikTok. I made a TikTok of me making it last night because that's what this pasta is, so I will insert that here. Okay, I'm gonna try and make that viral feta cheese pasta that I've been seeing all over my For You page. I know a few people have posted it, but this is the user I originally saw it from. So I do not have one of those fancy round dish things, but this is what I have, and these were all the tomatoes that I got. I thought it would be enough, but I think I might be lacking. Anyways, we'll see how it looks. So far, so good. I added extra garlic because I'm a hoe for garlic, and now I'm gonna stir. Added in the pasta. I feel like mine doesn't look as orangey. I probably could have benefited from more tomatoes, but I'm excited to see if this actually tastes good. Okay, it's actually really good. I might add a little bit of pepper, but I do recommend. It's really great. I will link the recipe from the original girl who I saw posting it in the description, but I'm gonna go ahead and reheat some of that. It always looks better right after you first make it, but I promise it's so good. I'm about to respond to some emails. I have to fill out some information for that recruiter. I think I told you guys in my last vlog that I had an interview on Friday, and that interview was for a company that I would actually really love to work at. However, I checked the job listing on LinkedIn, and last time I checked, actually I don't know, I haven't checked today. I'm gonna see how many applicants there currently are because it was truly mind-boggling. Okay, well, it's gone up by 300. There are currently 1,345 applicants to this role. So I guess a little life hack, I applied to this role on LinkedIn and they never looked at my application. So I messaged a few people from the company, and one girl actually answered and said she would send my resume along, and I did not expect anything to come from it. But I actually did get contacted for an interview, and that's the interview that I had. So that's a pro tip. If you apply to something and they're just not looking at your resume, you could try that. But I don't know, I'm not gonna get my hopes up for it because literally 1,300 applicants. Like, okay, I just sent some emails. Let's not look at my roots. I know they are horrible. I'm actually getting them done this Friday because salons reopened, but salons were closed for a while, so I couldn't get my hair done, but I'm going to, so these will be fixed. But I thought I would sit down and share with you guys what I got from Revolve this month. I've already posted in some of these on my Instagram. If you aren't following me, it's just at Tasha, but I'll share those pieces first because they are some of my favorites. First of all is this little floral dress. I'm so in love with how this one fits. It's pretty short, but I'm really short, so I do like that. And I just think the pattern and the sleeves are so fun. So it looks like this. I wore this with some tall beige boots and it was so cute. Next up is this top. I think this is going to be the perfect going out top when we can finally go out again. Who knows when that will be, but I love this. Or even just for a dinner or a date night. It's this little faux leather top. I've also worn this on Instagram. I just love it. And it does have adjustable straps with a button, so that's super nice. This sweater is so nice. It's just like a black and white striped kind of vibe, but I like this sweater because it's not too fuzzy. Sometimes I feel like when sweaters are really soft and fuzzy, if I sweat in them, it just feels really gross. I don't know if anyone else deals with that issue, but this one is the perfect texture in my opinion, and it goes with like everything. So love this. I have a bunch of bodysuits to show you. Once again, I'm recognizing that I chose a lot of items that are good for like going out or dates. And I guess LA did just reopen outdoor dining. I have not partook. I haven't gone yet, but I guess I could wear these if I decided to do that. This bodysuit is so fun. I have it like backwards, but it's basically just a plunge neck silky bodysuit, and you just tie it around your neck like a halter. Very, very fun. This bodysuit my friend Anna has, and it looks so cute on her, so I wanted to get it too. It's this brown color, if I can get it untangled. Looks like this. I love when little sleeves are tie straps, so cute. Same color, different bodysuit. This one's really fun. It's like a one shoulder kind of thing. Is this backwards? Yeah. Anyways, one shoulder ribbed, kind of like a caramely color, so very cute. Another bodysuit, I was envisioning this one with a little black lacy bralette under it because clearly it's sheer, but I just thought it was really fun and unique, so love this one. This is the softest material ever. This is just like a little cropped cardigan type top, but it's so soft and comfy. This one's really great. And then I have a sweat set. I've actually been wearing this one so much, and I've gotten a lot of questions from you guys about where it's from. So it is Revolve. It's like a velour velvet set, but this is my favorite color ever. It's like the mauvey pink purple of my dreams. So I love this. This is like the little cropped hoodie, and then these are the sweatpants. They have a cute little butt pocket, and then the bottoms, they kind of cinch, and then they have like a little cutout kind of thing. So I've been wearing the shit out of that. Okay, and then there's one more thing. I was so confused when I took it out of the package because it came in a literal body bag. Not an actual body bag, but it looks like a body bag. I'll put in a clip, but it's basically the most beautiful puffer I have ever owned, and I know people are going to be like, why would you get a puffer if you live in LA? First of all, this is a cropped puffer, and second of all, actually this week it's been in the 50s in LA, and I'm a baby with the cold now, so to me that is puffer weather. Here is said body bag. Let me open it up. It's just the most beautiful, high quality, nude beige little cropped puffer I've ever seen. It has a removable hood, and then it also came with this removable neck thingy, which this I will probably not be using unless I go home to New York or something and want to bring this. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on just because I love it. So that's everything I got from Revolve this month. I will link everything down below in case you guys are interested, but I might have another thing or a few more things coming in the mail today, so if I get anything, I will do an unboxing for you guys. Okay, it is like 6 p.m. now, and I'm getting a little bit hungry. I still have pasta left over, but I'm so bad with leftovers, guys. I will eat them, but I don't like eating them back to back. I get bored, so I'm thinking of making my favorite soup for dinner. I've posted me making this soup on my channel multiple times, but it's the Olive Garden copycat recipe of their Tuscan soup. It has like Italian sausage and potatoes and heavy cream. Definitely not the healthiest, although there is kale in it, but it's my favorite soup ever, and it's been kind of chilly this week, so I think it's perfect. So I think I'm gonna start making that. It takes a while, so I'll show you guys a little bit of the process, but like I said, I know I've put it in videos before, but I will link the recipe down in the description. And if you make it, definitely tag me in an Instagram story or something, because I love seeing and reposting those. Before I start making the soup, I just got a package in the mail and I wanted to show you guys. This handbag company reached out to me and asked if I wanted a bag, which was so nice of them. I'm gonna put the name on the screen because I feel like I would butcher the pronunciation, but they look so, so beautiful. So I'm gonna open this up and show you guys. Okay, I'm gonna make sure I hide my address and try not to cut myself. This is the box. It looks really pretty. It has like a pretty sheen to it. And here's the brand name. Okay. It's wrapped so beautifully. They gave me a nice card. Okay. There's the dust bag. Here's their name again. I chose this bag because it was my favorite that they had, but they had so many colors, and I was gonna get like a camel color because I don't have a camel colored bag, but I ended up just getting black because I feel like I never wear anything that matches browns, so I got black. Gosh, it's so nice. Okay, it looks like this. This is a real leather bag. It has a long strap and it's like a bucket bag, which I thought was so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. And then all the packaging inside. Oh my gosh, well, thank you so much to them. I'm gonna link this bag down below. I feel like this is gonna be a great everyday bag because I can tell it will fit a lot, but it looks so chic and just amazing. So thank you. I think it's Polane, but once again, I don't want to butcher it. So nice. This is the current progress of the soup. I need to get a really big pot or like a tall one or something, because whenever I make soups, it always comes almost to the top of the pot and I almost always overflow. The worst part is chopping the kale because I hate when the stems are in there. So there's supposed to be 4 cups. I might have to do some more. I always like adding extra kale also. All right, the soup is done. I know it's not necessarily the most visually appealing soup, but I promise you guys, if you like Italian sausage and potatoes and kale, you need to try this. It's so good. And here it is in the bowl. So once again, I will link this recipe down below and tag me if you try it out. It is also 20 minutes until the Bachelor, so I'm going to turn that on. I don't have cable, but my parents do, so I just use their sign in and watch ABC Live on their live stream. Honestly, this season so far is kind of boring to me, and I know this is what everyone is saying, but the girls just seem so mean, and it's just like, it's not enjoyable to watch, you know what I mean? But of course I'll still be watching. This is my setup. I use an HDMI cord so that I can stream it from my computer and watch it on my TV, and it works out pretty well. I just finished watching Bachelor, and I stand by my previous statement that the girls are just so mean and vicious, and it's not even like entertaining drama to watch. It's just like scary gaslighting vibes. Also, there's a car alarm going off. I think it stopped. Okay, hopefully you couldn't hear that. But time has escaped me. I need to start getting ready for bed, so I'm going to take off my makeup and do my skincare with the sponsor of this video. Once again, if I can pick these up, TULA is sponsoring this video. I have talked about them before. I love their skincare, and I'm always getting questions about my updated routine, so I figured I would show you guys me using these products once more. Tonight I am going to be using the No Makeup Replenishing Cleansing Oil, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser, and the Beauty Sleep Overnight Repair Treatment. So I'm going to show you guys how I use these now. TULA is a doctor-founded, clean, and effective skincare and wellness brand where 100% of the products are formulated with probiotics and superfoods. Probiotics are a powerful, natural ingredient that helps restore the natural balance of your skin's microbiome, smooth and nourish your skin, and boost its appearance. TULA focuses on being healthy, not perfect. They want to empower everyone in their community to feel confident in the skin they're in now. I love TULA because I don't feel like I'm putting a bunch of chemicals on my face. It feels very gentle and makes my skin feel super soft. My skin feels so soft and clean now, and you guys can go to TULA.com and use my code TASHAFARSACI for 15% off. Before I get into bed, I need to clean up my kitchen a little bit. I just can't go to bed with a messy kitchen. Like, anything else could be messy, but just knowing that my kitchen is gross or I have a lot of dirty dishes in the sink just irks me for some reason. And I know I currently have to empty the dishwasher and then reload it, and it's already 11:30. It has to be done. So I'm gonna do that. Good morning, everyone. It's actually a day later, so not the next day. I ended up not vlogging a ton yesterday. I got my period, and you guys might know I get the worst cramps of all time, so I was just not really in the mood. I still have bad cramps today, but I just took a shower, as you can tell, so I'm feeling a little bit better, and I'm gonna make some breakfast. It's not gonna be healthy, but I got toaster waffles and it sounds really great to me right now. So I'm gonna make some toaster waffles, and I guess I'll show you guys them once they're done. Here are my beautiful waffles. I also made an iced latte, so I'm gonna go dry my hair now, maybe put some makeup on just to feel like a real human, and then get to work on editing this video and applying to some jobs. All right, friends, it's like 5 p.m. right now. I've been editing all day, and then I had a slight mental breakdown, and then I applied to a bunch of jobs, and now I'm here. I need to go on a walk just to kind of get some fresh air, even though it's gonna get dark. I was thinking I might walk to Chipotle for a little daily reward for nothing, but you know, I love Chipotle, and there's a Chipotle like a 20-minute walk from here, so it's a nice leisurely workout, and if I leave now I should be able to get back before it's dark. So I am back. I have secured the bag. I think I've told you guys what my Chipotle order is before, but if not, I will tell you now. I get a veggie bowl with plain white or brown rice, emphasis on the plain because you guys know I hate cilantro, and if you go to the store you can ask for plain. So I get that. I get both beans, the fajita veggies, hot salsa, lettuce, cheese, and sour cream. So if you guys hate cilantro, that is a cilantro-free bowl at Chipotle. Okay guys, so I was eating my Chipotle, chillin', browsing the LinkedIn jobs, and I saw a job posting for a personal assistant for a prolific YouTuber. And I was like, I have to apply. I need to know who this is. I've never really thought about being a personal assistant. That's not really something that has crossed my mind as something that I wanted to do. But I mean, if it was a really cool person, I'd potentially be down. And the recruiter just emailed me for a Zoom call for tomorrow, so I guess I'm gonna find out who this is. I'm not gonna share it, of course, unless I decide to actually do it. I know you guys are definitely gonna wanna know who it is, but that will just like totally breach their privacy. But I had to tell you guys because I'm like, who the heck is this going to be? And I'm so curious to see if I will know who the person is. Honestly, for being someone who's been on YouTube for like 10 years, I feel like I don't watch a lot of YouTube and I don't know a lot of people, so I probably will not know who this is. But either way, I'm very curious, and I just thought that was a funny tidbit to throw in here. If I end up being a personal assistant to a YouTuber, you guys will know who it is, I think, and you can remember back to this moment. Hi guys, it is currently the next day, or I should probably say nighttime. I just wanted to end off the vlog here, but I wanted to wait until after my Zoom interview because I wanted to update you guys and say the recruiter wouldn't even tell me who the assistant role is for. So I still don't know. We will see if I continue on in the interview process. Wish me luck because it sounds pretty cool. I'm actually going to a wine bar with a TikTok friend. It's like my first time going to a restaurant since they reopened. So this is what I'm wearing. Everything's outdoors, so I figured I would dress warm. This is my puffer from Revolve. I am obsessed with it. It's so cute. And then I'm just wearing it with a black bodysuit and some black jeans and my Doc Martens. As always, thank you guys so much for watching and stay tuned for my next video.